And so it's certainly been my pleasure to be on this call with everybody on the line. And with that, we'd like to hand it over to our friends at CAWcast for their last closing remarks. So thanks everybody for taking the time today.
Hey everybody, thank you so much. Matt and Jen in particular right at the front, Todd, Liz, Kristen, Ben, we were joking about it before the cast, but the truth is that we're just drafting off y'all, right? Matt's famous line is that he loves being the least qualified person in the room, which of course he never is, although he's a good enough man to think about himself that way. And I certainly feel that way watching you all do what you do. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for teaching us, and thank you for leading the department as you go. And thank you to everybody who showed up today. We really appreciate you. I want to mention to everybody that if you're interested in learning the tools that the Centers for Adaptive Warfighting traditionally teach, which are all about building an engine for innovation and agility on a team or in a unit or an organization, Warfighter Center Design, our Mission Accelerator Lean Startup course, Matt, I see in the audience there, proud to have you. And the Military Scrum Master courses, we're going to do our next round of remote teaching, May 11th to 15th. You can watch our website, which you can find on Naval X for announcements about that. If you head into the CAC Protected McKeats page, the link, I promise you, is on the Centers for Adaptive Warfighting page at Naval X, and head to the Centers for Adaptive Warfighting remote training section. You'll be able to see all that stuff listed. I can't promise that you're going to run into anybody as cool as Matt or Jen or Todd or Ben or Kristen or Liz, at least not in this arena, but we do teach a couple other things which are pretty cool, and we're proud to be able to deploy them in support of folks like this and to have had you all here today. Thank you so much for everything. And we'll see you out there doing the hard work of making tomorrow a little better.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Thanks so much. Bye-bye.